If you are facing any problem with the Nvidia app and are not able to open it, in this video I will show you how to fix this issue. So let's get started. Go to the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Open it and look for Display Adapters. Expand it and find your Nvidia graphics card. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers and then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your Nvidia graphics card and click Next. Once you have installed the latest drivers, close the Device Manager and try reopening the Nvidia app. If you're still facing the issue, go to the Start menu and search for Settings. Open it and select Apps on the left. Go to Installed Apps and search for Nvidia. Click on the three dots on the right and select Uninstall. Confirm it and wait for it to finish. Once done, open your browser and search for Nvidia App Download. Click on the first link and then click on Download Now. Go to the downloaded file and complete the installation. Now, you can see that the issue is fixed and the Nvidia app launches without any problems. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!